take a look at my Phantom wallet. Now, most people don't want to show you the contents of their Phantom wallet, but I'm going to show you mine. I've nearly made 200 grand following this simple method, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in this video so that you can start doing it too, and you can start making some serious money. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. So, those of you that have stuck around can now be part of this elite club that know this amazing way to start making money on the meme coin market. So, before I get into the actual method, I'm just going to open up a couple of candles and see what we're looking at. Now, this is a perfect example of something that we're going to take advantage of later. You see this massive spike right at the start? This is where a dev can make some serious money when they follow the steps we're talking about, because after this it sort of swishes and it goes down and down and down and down. But what if you could choose to pull out at the peak point? Now, that is something that we're going to get into later on, okay? So let's have a look at some of the top traders here. So look at this, perfectly straight P&L lines, okay? Now, the only way you can get that is doing it via one transaction, okay? Now, they must have known that massive spike was coming, and the way they would have known is either they are the dev or they know the dev. So unless you're in the know, unless you know the right people, the game unfortunately is rigged against you. And you know, really in this market, when we could take any set of candles here, I mean, this one's a completely different story. This one has a big boost right at the end. So maybe the rules are a little bit fair with this coin, but I'm afraid this is the exception that proves the rule. Now, we are going to be looking at createcoin.fun. That is the site that's going to get us all this money. Okay, now what this coin does is it launches coins. The best part is that you do not need to know how to code. I don't know how to code, and if you don't know how to code, this is the site for you, createcoin.fun. Okay, we're just going to be pushing some buttons. That's all we need to do. All right, and that's why I use this as my money-making site. But before we get into it again, I know I'm teasing, let's have a look at the pump market. Now, the market caps on the pump market notoriously are not that great, okay? Even if you do break through, you only get into the tens of Ks, right? And even then, that's rare. It's a few hundred Ks here and there, but that's, again, massive exception. Let's switch over to the Meteora market here. Now, let's have a look at some of these market caps. Look at these numbers, guys. 30 million here, 42 million just below it. There's a crazy amount of money being put into these coins because they've got the room to breathe. And because they've got that room to breathe, loads more people can get invested in your coin, and that's where we're going to put our coin, guys. We're not going to mess around with pump. We're going straight on to Meteora. Okay, that is where we're going to make our money. So first thing is first, we need to connect our wallet to createcoin.fun. So we're going to do that now by clicking the connect wallet button, which sounds very obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people would miss a thing like that. So we simply click connect wallet, then we click the Phantom, and then we're in. We're ready to go. All right, now at this point, this is where you could make your meme coin, and you can put in all your names, and you can call it the Elon coin if you want. Hell with it. Let's ride that dead meme, shall we? It doesn't really matter, because we're not going to do any of this, because that requires tons of effort and tons of work, and I'm not really going to be doing that. Instead, we're going to copy a trending coin. So we're going to take a coin that is on pump, that's already pulling some major numbers. We're going to copy it and then transfer it over to the Meteora market, where we can make even more money. Okay, so here we have a list of coins that are currently trending at the moment on the pump market. So, you know, these are just ones that people are talking about, that people are buying into. You can see when they were last traded, things like that. Now, this is all really good information, and frankly, all of these are good choices. It's kind of up to you whether you want to go into massive detail about the data and things like that. Let's take a look at this bread coin, for example, because we're about to stack some bread. So let's copy that coin over. So it's as easy as pushing that button. Now, what's going to happen is this request block box is going to come up. You'll have to proceed, confirm, and then proceed anyway. This is a normal part of the process. I have to do this every single time. It's just the way Phantom is set up. Now, let's have a look at creating that liquidity pool. This is us putting our money into the coin. Now, in terms of starting money on these coins, I always suggest have about $100 in your wallet. That will be enough to get you over the line for what we need to do to make some serious money. So we're only going to put in 0.2 Sol into this coin. That's all we need. You can put more if you'd like, but to be honest, 0.2 will get you where you need to go. So we're going to confirm that transaction, and then when we do, our coin is going to go live and go onto the Meteora market. There we are. So we are now on the Meteora market, ready to go. You can see our estimated value here at 14.6, and then we've also got our Sol that we've put in there, 0.2. Before we have a look on the market, though, we're going to push this lightning bolt button, because this button is our secret sauce that's going to kick us up to the top of the trending charts at the cost of 0.25 Sol, but I assure you we will be making that back and then some. So we're going to boost to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. This means that those bots that are set to hit the trending coins and the trend chasers are all going to attack our coin and buy into it. And that's what we want to make that serious money, get that immediate kick up. Let's have a look on Dex Screener and looky here. So once my computer refreshes, here we go. Bam, 2.8k in volume already. Look at our liquidity shooting through the roof. The liquidity now is the most important stat because that's where you're going to derive most of your profit from. And we're already at 1.1k. Incredible. Our market cap, okay, so we've already burst a K. And, you know, we saw that our market cap on the copy trending list wasn't much higher than this. So there you go. I think we've already gone above it, 3.2k. So there we go, guys. You can see that that boost is really kicking things into our favor. The volume is just going up and up and up. The liquidity is just going up and up and up. And that is where we want the money to be made, is in that liquidity. You can have this running for as long as you like. I don't tend to leave these things very long. In fact, I may switch over later on, but that's essentially the process to get your coin on the market, guys. And you can just wait to the optimum time to pull that liquidity, slap it in your pocket, and make sure that you're on the right end of the rug pull for once, because we're all sick and tired of being on the wrong end. That's where we don't want to be anymore, guys. That's why we're deving and not trading, okay? Trading is a sucker's game. Deving is a moneymaker's game. Let's see here. We are rocking pretty well at the moment. Again, liquidity's pretty stable at around 2.5k, roughly. It could kick up, but to be honest, I think this is where we'll be by the time we pull our liquidity. And, you know, it's looking pretty steady. So we're probably going to extract the coin soon. We'll extract the liquidity soon, and I'll show you how to do that. So here we are. Now, if you'll notice, our numbers are going to drastically change in our estimated value and our pooled SOL. So remember, we were at $14.68. So now it's at $921, guys. Nearly a grand. We've gone from $14 to nearly a grand. That is insane. And look at our pooled SOL. We've got 12 whole SOL coins in there now. So one of the things I do with these videos is I give away half the profits that I make on this video to one person who subscribes, likes, and leaves a comment. So if you do that, I will put you into the prize pool where you can win. So we remove the liquidity. We hit the minus button, remove all the liquidity. We hit confirm. That goes straight into our Phantom wallet. And all of that money from that coin now has gone straight to us. So let's take a look at how much is in our wallet now. So we started at 100. We're now at 928, guys. So you see how this method works. It is dead simple. You just saw me do it. Give it a go yourselves.